Why does your scanner show the P0633 engine code? What does it mean? P0633 is a diagnostic trouble code with immobilizer key not programmed ECM PCM. This error code indicates an ignition cylinder can also interfere with the key's signal recognition. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty immobilizer key, wiring or connection issues, ignition cylinder problems, dead or discharged battery. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge or Chrysler PT Cruiser. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.